Facebook, YouTube, we're on here AOCleaning. We are on a job in St. Louis. Came out a couple weeks ago, did an estimate for this client that wants to put the house on the market. This is hand scraped solid wood. A lot of abrasions, a lot of color loss. We got some color correction to do, obviously. And we're gonna get these floors abraded. We can just see how they're missing protection there. And it's a wax removal, so they put rejuvenate on this floor. So we're gonna remove the rejuvenate, and then we're gonna clean and tack it, and then abrade it, otherwise known as either a buff or a screen. We're gonna screen off the protection by 2 coats of satin sheen. So this is gonna make this floor look new, or not new, I'm sorry, improved. You cannot sand these floors because they has a hand scraped appearance. So they just wanna make it better because they don't wanna have to hassle a replacement. So we're gonna screen them down, color correct areas that need it, and then we're gonna recoat it. You can just see, like right there, see that, guys? Especially in the step area, but just, you know, they've been neglected, abused, things like that. A little bit right there, under the stove. They did remove all the furniture out of the area because we don't move our furniture. We do ask the clients to move that for us, or we network with a moving partner that does that for us called Sunrise Moving. You can just see just all the abrasions and just stuff like that. That's because that's the rejuvenate on the floors, which doesn't belong. So they moved tape here, that's how they noticed it. So we're gonna get this corrected. We're also gonna do the steps and correct the steps and the landing. It's gonna be a good one, stay tuned. All right guys, we're abrading this solid hand scrape floor. Getting all the contamination and all the old protection off. You soften the 𝐬𝐝𝐫𝐞𝐬 oxide, and now we're getting it prepped for recoating. This is a maintenance service, done the same day, walk on in a few hours, fractional cost of sanding. And you don't have to be out of your house for a week or two. And definitely cheaper than replacement. Only $250 a square foot. Now, we also did a wax removal. So we already did the wax removal, got all the wax off and the rejuvenate off, and then we neutralized it, and then we also now are screening it. And then next process is to tack it, clean it, and recoat it with 2 coats of protection, satin sheen. So this is 2 services that we're doing here today, and they're excited because it's cheaper than replacement, because these are hand scraped and you can't sand these floors. So they are so excited. These floors would be every bit of $30,000 to replace, including upstairs and the steps and landing. And they only wanted to get it, revived so they could put this house on the market for sale. And that's what we do, guys. We love saving floors and meeting the customers' expectations. And you can visit our website at 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐞.com. You can also follow us on our YouTube channel, subscribe, hit the bell, never miss a video. This is great for homeowners to know what to expect with a company like ourselves, restores and cleans and maintains your floors, as well as our Facebook. There's a follow on Facebook as well. We appreciate the support. If you've got this kind of flooring at your house and you want this, save your floor, give us a call. Now this floor, I will say, was in distress, a lot of contamination, dirt, debris, beat up, that kind of thing. But hopefully, if your guys' floors is, you want it revived and strengthen the protection, all you need is either a screen and recoat or what we call a clean and buff. More information, check out our website or check out our playlist. You can see we have a lot of videos on that subject. All right, guys, I'm going to get back to it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, a little update. We just got done screening. We're tacking the floors now. We got Bridget on the scene doing that, and it's going good. And these are the results. Got a lot of that contamination off. And this floor is looking up beautiful. A lot of color correction that we need to get done. We're tacking it now, and all is well. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're tacking now. We're letting it dry. This floor is drying. This floor is good to go. You can just see drying in certain spots. But yep, we're gonna do some color correction and then tack again, lay the first coat. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we just got done doing the color correction. You guys can see we were on hands and knees, color correcting all the areas of concern. We pretty much did the whole floor on our hands and knees. You can see how there's no more imperfections and there's no more mist and stain. We also did the steps as well, if you guys can see that. Looks beautiful. And then when this dries, we're gonna coat it in about a half hour and then come back in about 2 hours and put another coat. But wow, guys. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm rolling the first coat of poly now. And it will dry the satin sheen. Beautiful.
Make them shine bright, screen and recoat in the same day and night. Step back in just a few hours, no waters to fight. People love our service, it's a pure delight. Ayo, let's go, AOCleaning is the cure, reviving hardwood.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. That's the first coat. We're gonna come back in about 2 hours and put another coat on. We're gonna love it. All right, guys, we just got back. It's been 2 hours, actually 2 hours and 15 minutes. And we just got back, but you guys ready to see the grand finale? Look at that, guys. Look at this floor. Wow. Look at these steps. Remember how bad they looked? Look at this. Wow. The clients could be blown away. Again, we saved them about 30 grand from replacement, and we got this screen down, color corrected, got the wax removed, and got it coated with a satin sheen. Wow. Wow. I'm impressed myself sometimes. All right, stay tuned for the testimony from the client, and that's another happy client. Hey, yo, let's go. Wow, guys. Look at that. All right, guys, look at these steps. Look how worn out and faded and stains missing. Nice, beautiful satin sheen. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Remember how bad that was? Wow. All right, come check it out. Isn't that awesome? Hey guys, I'm with my client Danny, and we're in St. Louis, Missouri. We just restored her hand scraped wood floors. They needed a little attention. They were missing stain, contamination, all this stuff, and she was actually thinking about replacing it, but she found me and my company, came out, gave her an estimate, she got her deposit down and got her scheduled, and we came out today, and guys, she is just blown away. We got rid of the tape marks, all the imperfections, and she just can't get over how awesome it looks. She's really excited, so she wants to leave me a video testimonial. Without further ado, Danny, take it away.
Okay, I seriously cannot believe how good these look. Like he said, there was a giant tape X mark in here where I had like peeled up the finish on here, and it was a mess. Everything was scratched from like years of dogs scratching and just wear and tear, and it is amazing. I am floored, no pun intended. It really is incredible. I'm so happy. I'm so impressed with this.
Awesome. We appreciate that. And if people watching, what would you say in terms of if they on the fence or thinking about hiring my company to restore the floors? What would you tell them?
I mean, you can't beat the price, and for this quality of work, I mean, you can't beat it. That's incredible.
Awesome. We appreciate that. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, and good luck selling your home. We appreciate the opportunity to serve you.
Awesome. Thank you. This is amazing. Thank you so much.
Let's refine AOCleaning, your floors still alive. Let's restore it.